What happens when low bandwidth throttles pixel streaming? This comparison shows the impact of 10 kilobits per second versus 10 megabits per second on real-world pixel streaming performance. Let's explore the difference. We tested streaming quality starting at 10 kilobits per second and gradually increased up to 10 megabits per second. At 10 kilobits per second, pixel streaming is almost impossible. Graphics are blurry and heavily pixelated. The input lags noticeably. The application freezes frequently, showing connection-lost errors. At 10 megabits per second, pixel streaming truly shines, with crisp visuals, near-instant responsiveness, and uninterrupted connectivity, delivering an exceptional experience. Here is a view of these two bandwidths side by side. The difference is night and day, smooth, uninterrupted performance. Different resolutions need different bandwidths. For example, 144p can stream at very low speeds but looks rough. As we move up to 240p and 360p, detail improves with better bandwidth. To get quality 720p streaming, at least 2 megabits per second is needed, while 1080p requires 5 to 10 megabits per second for smooth, high-quality playback. So to sum it up, pixel streaming performance varies based on resolution. At lower resolutions like 144p, as little as 0.5 megabits per second suffices, but detail is extremely limited. Moving to 240p requires around 1 megabit per second, offering basic clarity. At 360p, 2 megabits per second provides moderate quality suitable for basic needs. For 720p streaming, a minimum of 5 megabits per second ensures clear and smooth visuals, while Full HD at 1080p demands at least 10 to 12 megabits per second for an optimal experience. Advanced streaming applications require bandwidths of higher megabits per second or more to support real-time rendering and interactivity. While the video's bandwidth suggestions are suitable for most cases, it's worth mentioning that pixel streaming can have higher bandwidth requirements due to the level of real-time rendering, content complexity, and interactivity. Don't let low bandwidth hold back your pixel streaming. Contact us today and experience the difference. Subscribe to stay updated on how to optimize your pixel streaming setup.